How to fix Google SafeSearch will not turn off. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can fix if your Google SafeSearch will not turn off. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to google.com and then you're going to click on your profile at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to scroll down and click on SafeSearch. So simply click on it, and if you wish to turn it off, you can simply click on off and it will show all relevant results, even if they're explicit. However, if you're not able to turn it off and you'll be able to see a lock icon over here, that means your Google account is being managed by a parent that you are under 18. So if you are not under 18 and it's an accident, you can simply head over to familylink.google.com. And then you can simply search for Google search over here, click on that, and then you can simply search off your safe search from there. So that is basically how you can fix Google safe search will not turn off. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.